In this video, I'm going to show you two ways in which two different students solved this question and they arrive at the answers that are found in the options between A and D. Now, which of these solutions will be correct? This question, the solution to this question is going to teach us one lesson that we should be very careful when solving questions that look like this, especially in an examination hall. Welcome to our mathematics tutorial for today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with friends and colleagues. Now, student A went about solving this question this way. Now, what did student A did? Student A simply did this. 1 to the power of 4 plus square root of 3 x minus 3 equal to 4. Now, 1 to the power of 4 is 1 plus, and this gave us this according to the law of indices. This would be 1 to the power of 1 x minus 3 raised to the power of 1 divided by 3, and this will be equal to 4. So you know what student A did? Student A simply take the multiply both sides by the power of 3. So if you multiply both sides by the power of 3, this will give you x minus 3, 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 3, and this will be equal to 4 to the power of 3. So this will give you 1 plus this will clear this, and then you have your x minus 3, and this will be equal to 4 to the power of 3 gives student A 64. Good. Now, student A now went ahead to simplify this, which is 1 plus x minus 3, and this is equal to 64. So, if you simplify this, you're going to have x minus 2, and that will be equal to 64. So, student A, what he did was to add 2 to both sides, and that gives student A x to be equal to 64 plus 2, and our x now become 66. Is student A answer in the option? Of course, yes, that's option D. Now, how did student B went about solving this? This is what student B did. Student B simply said 1 to the power of 4 plus this will also give him x minus 3 all to the power of 1 divided by 3, and this is equal to 4. So 1 plus x minus 3 all to the power of 1 divided by 3, and this is equal to 4. So student B was so smart enough that he decided to subtract 1 from both sides to clear this one here, and that gave him x minus 3 all to the power of 1 divided by 3, and that is equal to 4 minus 1. So this gave him x minus 3 all to the power of 1 divided by 3, and that gave him 3. So what he did was still to multiply both sides by the power of 3. X minus 3 all to the power of 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 3, and this will be equal to 3 to the power of what? 3. So 3 clears 3 to give us 1. So we'll have x minus 3 equal to 3 times 3 will give us 27. Good. So to get the value of x, student B add 3 to both sides. So that gives us x minus 3 plus 3, and that will be equal to 27 plus 3, right? So this clears 3 and student BX became what? 30. So student A got 66 and student B got 30. Now guess what? Both results are in the option. Now this is the tactics examiners use in order to sway students away from getting the right solution. Now, which of these solutions is right? By inspection, you come to see, let's check. The initial question that was given to us, let's check to see the solution that is right. So if we have, let's check. Remember, our question is 1 to the power of 4 plus the cube root of x minus 3, and all solution must give us what? 4. Now, by inspection, if we put x equal to 30 in this question, we're going to have 1 to the power of 4 is already 1 plus the cube root of 30 minus 3, right? And this will give us 1 plus the cube root of 20 what? 7. Is it going to give us 4? Now, if we do that, we're going to find out that the cube root of 27 is 3. So we'll have 3 plus 1, and that will be equal to 4. So we see 4 on the left hand side give us 4 on the right hand side. So we are not going to have two correct answers to a given question. So that tells us that the solution pattern of student A is absolutely what? Right. And the correct option to this question is option C. So be very careful when solving questions like this, because the way you solve questions like this can simply get you to the to having the very wrong solution. I know you did learn a lot from this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues so that they can learn to avoid such mistakes in mathematics. And also remember to subscribe to my channel if you find this video very beneficial. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.